Hi guys, this is Ben Kilgallen. I'm back from yesterday, and as you can see, it's nowhere near it. Sorry, it's nowhere near as bad as it was yesterday. Come here, come here. Good boy. Yeah, so I'm probably not supposed to walk across the field just after a flood, but you know, fuck wisdom. Right. So yeah, if you've watched my first video, you know that yesterday this area was completely flooded, completely run down in water, and you can see the river's still quite high, but nowhere near as high as it was yesterday. You can see the council have cleared up all the mud that I thought was on the path, and my wellies are actually still wet from yesterday. As you can see, I'm wearing trainers and different. Yeah. There's still some flood water left, but you'll have watched my video yesterday. This is by no means a flood. So yeah, I'm out with my dog again. Bit of stutter in there, sorry. Yeah. And the first time since, well, actually, obviously since yesterday, but yeah, I can now again walk across the path without my shoes getting wet through. So yeah, come here, good boy. Yeah, so the grass life here has been, you know, swept away into the flood, into the river, sorry. Yeah. Oh look, there's still some mud left on the path from a flood yesterday. It appears my thoughts about a second river happening were wrong, as you can see. But yeah, this is my second part on the video that I started yesterday. And by the looks of things, Burnley's recovered from the flood. I'm sure some people's houses will no doubt be full of flood water. I know a friend whose house is. In fact, I know a few friends whose houses are. I'm going to try and help them out in any way I can. And if any of you people watching this are from Burnley, then yeah, I'll help you out too. The mud's still a little bit wet, quite slippery. But yeah, my wellies are still wet through from yesterday, even though I left them on the radiator. Oh. And now you can see what I mean about the water being too high on the bridge. Below the bridge, sorry. That's the water's usual height below the bridge. If you look on the video yesterday, it's gone down quite a lot. So yeah. Basically the water's gone down. Thanks for watching, see you later.